It's a stout tree.
You know, a buffer like this has multiple benefits. You know, we're doing it because it's right for the fish in the river, but it's also right for, you know, our downstream partners in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. The more buffers we can plant in Pennsylvania, the healthier the river's going to be, and the healthier the bay is going to be. It's a great spot in terms of its buffer potential, but it's also really visible. I mean, you'll have hundreds of boats in and out of here on a busy weekend. You know, anglers are inherently conservation minded, and we thought what better place to give them the idea for something to do on their own property than one of our access areas.
Buffers help reduce flooding and help reduce the impacts of flooding, help hold water back, slow water down, keep water in the floodplains, keep water on the land to be released more slowly. So buffers add to climate resiliency in our whole watershed. We think trees are the answer to a whole bunch of environmental challenges. When you come back and visit these trees later, like when they're grown up, this area will be a lot cooler. It'll shield some of the noise, it'll grab some of the pollution from the highway. You'll see people like sitting down under a tree for a picnic because it's the cool place to sit. In the urban areas, it reduces urban heat, saves lives.
You know, we focus on water quality not just for the Chesapeake Bay itself, but upstream. And we're standing here in Snyder County along the Susquehanna River in Pennsylvania, and we're standing within the Chesapeake Bay watershed. So every drop of rain that falls here eventually ends up in the Chesapeake Bay. So all of these practices and these buffers and trees that we're planting upstream here, they're not only protecting the health of the bay, but they're also promoting better water quality locally here in Pennsylvania. We like to include about 20 native species in each planting, things like American sycamores, river birch, elderberry, pin oak, black locust, honey locust. Again, it depends on the site. Sometimes we choose some species that like it a little wetter or a little drier, but we like to find stuff that's in the middle of the road, would occur here naturally, but may be absent from the landscape now, just to try to restore some of the native biodiversity that was here historically.